You know, one of the things that I think is really important is taste. Tomatoes are one of those things. We've all tasted terrible tomatoes, greenhouse grown tomatoes, and this gives me an opportunity to grow a lot of different varieties, heirloom varieties, different ones for taste profile, color, acidity. And when I get to mix them all, my tomato sauce is it's phenomenal. It's something that you can't really beat. So I test probably over 30 different tomato varieties. I love tomatoes. We use them for sauce, for canning, but I think one of the other important things to remember is not only when it comes to expanding what we eat, 60% of Americans eat the same 12 foods year round. And I really want people to experience, maybe you don't like something because you've eaten it in one form, but when you can trial it in different varieties, in different forms, I really think that gives us an opportunity to start expanding those palates. And so that's one of my goals with being able to diversify our plant varieties, is to really let people taste the different flavors of what these plants can offer.